geographically literate citizens ask themselves, what is happening in our world? Why is it happening? How is it affecting other people? Here's an example on how to find more information using technology and geography. What is happening in the world? We first heard about coronavirus on the news and that it came from China. Well, here it is.
This is the Wuhan seafood market. On January 1st, it was shut down. Many of the early cluster of confirmed cases had been in the market, so officials feared that COVID-19 was linked to trade in wild animals. It sold everything from snakes to birds, foxes, and rabbits. But the viruses most similar to the new coronavirus that causes COVID-19 are from bats that live.
Coronavirus, aka COVID-19? How does she do that? Where's China? Let's use Google Earth to find it. Here's Google Earth. In the little search, you enter China. And it takes you to Wuhan, China. Here on the globe on the lower right-hand corner, it shows you where in the world China is. And if you zoom out, you can do the same thing that the news lady did. Wow, that was pretty cool. Why is this happening, you may ask? Well, let's do a Google search. Type in, why is coronavirus happening? Whoa, here we get a lot of questions answered under cdc.gov. My Google search took me to many different websites. The American Red Cross, the Globe Program, and the one we just talked about, Centers for Disease Control. I also found an app called Newsomatic that is specifically for children between the ages of 6 through 14. How is it affecting other people? How's it affecting me? And why is this important? Well, people still have to work under social distancing rules. How? Using Cisco WebEx or Zoom. You can see your friends, family, coworkers, classmates. And how are teachers assigning their students their homework? Using Google Classroom. Here's Mrs. Zuniga's class, 4th grade, Social Studies. This is where she puts her homework assignments weekly, and the students finish them, and then it'll show how many students have done their work. This is for next week. What can I do? Even though we are practicing social distancing, we can keep up with our education and we can lend a helping hand to others by making something for them. How about making a mask for someone you know? We can also use technology to cheer others up. Thank you for watching.